car's worth like $550, you want 400. If I sold it for $550 on eBay, I clear 400. Don't make any sense. Sell it on eBay, dude. Have your friend here sell it for you. Put an eBay name, an eBay account in your parents' name. You got older brother, sister? Do it first. You're allowed to get up to 25,000.
No, this year it's only 600. Last year.
I guess, but you know more than my account.
Well, with eBay, not PayPal. eBay's not
Dude,
PayPal.
I've done $200,000 in the last 90 days on you think I don't know what the...
No, I never said that. I thought.
Now, maybe you're not a business. So maybe if you upgrade to a business account, that would cost
Mine's like 6. No, I mean this year.
What's up, everybody? This is going to be our last break of the midday. We do have one more break tonight of Bowman Baseball, 2021 Bowman Baseball, 3 hobby box break at 7:30. But right now, this is our 2021 Upper Deck Series 2 Hockey 5 blaster box break number 2. We do have a few teams available here, so we'll go ahead and show the owners list and show you what teams we have available. You can see there we have the Arizona Coyotes, Boston Bruins, Calgary Flames, Dallas Stars, Philadelphia Flyers, San Jose Sharks, and the Washington Capitals. So we have 7 teams available. 7 teams for the 5-box blaster box break of 2021 Hockey Series 2. 7 teams available. We'll do 7 teams. If anybody wants to grab those remaining 7 teams, we'll do the remaining 7 teams. We'll do for $20 if anybody wants them. That's pretty much just taking the shipping away for each team. That's like less than $3 a team. So $20 for those 7 teams if anybody wants to grab them. Arizona Coyotes, Boston Bruins, Dallas Stars, Philadelphia Flyers, San Jose Sharks, and Washington Capitals, all for $20 if anybody wants them. I'll start getting all the packs out of the blaster boxes while we wait to see if we can sell those. Those 7 teams will be available until I show the first card of the break. How's everybody doing today? Oh yeah, what's up, Jason? Jason, you got another chance on Friday. Friday we have the last of the 5-box Upper Deck blaster box breaks. And then Saturday we have 4 more boxes of the retail. So I don't know if you were part of the retail break last Saturday, but we do have another one of those going Saturday, Jason. Brennan P. What's up, Brennan? Good to see you, man. Brennan is a regular with us. Brennan will take the last 7 teams for 20. Sounds good, bud. Brennan, you can just send friends and family, obviously, since you're already in the break. So there you go, Brennan. That's our PayPal in the chat there. So Brendan, you're going to pick up the Coyotes, the Bruins, the Flames, the Stars, the Flyers, the Sharks, and the Capitals. So if you don't mind sending that $20 over, friends and family, I'd appreciate it. Just give me a heads up on after you send it so I can just double check it. If you don't mind. Appreciate that, Brendan. Thank you for that. I was going to ask you to keep an eye out for a payment for $20. I sold the rest of the hockey teams. Brennan P. for $20. Brennan, yeah, he's a lot too.
Yeah, no, we bought a bunch.
Yeah. All right. I think we'll just do one blaster at a time. Since this is the last break of the midday, there's no rush in getting done so we can get set up for the next one. So got a little bit of time to do this one. No rush.
What did you call these hats?
They're under miscellaneous. They're called
They're in the category miscellaneous.
miscellaneous
Okay.
hats. All right, Brendan, sounds good. Joe, it depends. I don't see a Joe M on my hockey break sheet. It depends on which break you're talking about. If you're talking about hockey, I don't see a payment. Yeah, I'm gonna check for French variations, Jason. I am gonna check for that. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. First, Young Guns for the St. Louis Blues. Nico Mikola. Nico Mikola for the St. Louis Blues. St. Louis is going to Brendan P. I have a feeling we're going to be saying Brendan P a lot in this break. That's okay, Joe. What team were you trying to bid on? Because I don't do the cancellations, I just do the breaks, so I'd have to check. But I don't see a Joe M on the sheet, so I'm assuming if you did buy a team, it was canceled. But if you did buy a team, let me know what team, and I'll tell you what name's under the team. We have a UD Canvas card here of Kevin LeBlanc. Blackhawks, I show Joseph M. So, Joe, you got the Blackhawks. I show Joseph M for the Blackhawks. Yes, Joe, you got the Blackhawks. We have a Seth Jones Green Dazzlers for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Brennan P. again. Brennan P., I'm going to have to be using a lot of top loaders for you today. Hope you appreciate that. Seth Jones Green Dazzlers. award winners, Matt Dumba. I don't see any French variations yet. So that's our first box done. Move on to box 2. Yeah, it looks like everything's good, man. Looks like it went through. I didn't have anything canceled for the Blackhawks. And it shows Joseph M, so it looks like you're okay. Alright, here we go. Blaster box number 2. Green Dazzlers, Brent Burns. Hey, San Jose Sharks, it's one of the teams that Brendan picked up. Not sure if I need to sleeve all of these Dazzlers, but I will because they look cool. And their inserts. I'm sure there's some players that you don't need to sleeve, but should be one per blaster box, I think. Brent Burns, it's one of the teams Brendan picked up. See if we can find one of those French variations. Marquee rookies, Chase Prisky for the Florida Panthers. Kevin M. We have a Young Guns here for the Anaheim Ducks. Yanni Hack. I know this guy's name. Ooh. Yanni Hackenpaw. Yanni Hackenpaw for the Anaheim Ducks. It's going to Jeff R. These cards are not cooperating right now. Ooh, this is one of my guys. Artemi Panarin. Artemi. I think this guy, this is the same guy that used to play for the Blackhawks, correct? Checklist for Toronto and Vancouver. Let's check who has Toronto. Brendan P. Vancouver. Adam. So the way we do this is the first team on the left gets the checklist. So it's going to go to Toronto. If we get a second one, it's going to go to Vancouver. Jason says it's pronounced Arteni. Well, when he was, I'm a Chicago guy. We live in the Chicago suburbs. So when he played for the Blackhawks, I was really high on him. And then they traded him. And I was like, well, that sucks. Maxim Letunov. Maximum Letunov. For the San Jose Sharks, that's another team Brennan picked up. No French variations in box 2 either. Alright, let's move on to blaster box number 3. Saturday should be fun with all those retail boxes. 4 retail boxes. I will tell you guys that all of our Upper Deck Series 2 retail boxes... Ooh, what the hell happened to this pack? This pack is very damaged coming out of the pack. Just so you guys can see that before I break it. You can see it was very... It's got like indentations all along it. So this pack was very damaged coming out of the pack, guys. So just beware of that. Not sure what happened with that one. But all the same thing with this one. Look at this. What is going on here? Same like indentation print line. That is not good. Hopefully that's not on all of them. But we have the retail boxes that we have for Saturday. Oh no. Same one with this one, guys. I'm not sure what happened with that. But all the retail boxes are from the same case. It is all from the same 20-box case. Same thing with this one. Oh, it happens all the time with Upper Deck, Jason? I don't know. Yeah, I feel bad for you guys that it happened to your break, but I wanted to be at least show you guys that it's coming out of the packs like that. So I do apologize. It's not something I can control though, so hopefully you guys don't take it out on me, but these are very, very damaged. As you can see, they're all bent and bowed up. Hopefully there's not like like the whole thing is, you can see like the whole thing there had the same problem. Hopefully there's not a really, really cool card in here that's completely ruined because of that. I don't want to find my French variation now. Our Young Guns. Our Young Guns doesn't look like it was affected by that. The Young Guns looks pretty good actually. Young Guns is going to the Montreal Canadiens. This is Lucas Vejdemo. Lucas Vejdemo. Montreal Canadiens are going to Brennan P. And then we got Tyler Bertuzzi. Tyler Bertuzzi for Detroit. Kevin M. Let's leave that one. UD Canvas. This guy looks like he's from the old school. I don't even know how to say his name, unfortunately. Ed Giacomin. Ed Giacomin. I'll sleeve that one up as well. It doesn't look like the inserts. It looks like it was just the base and then the inserts were in. So all the insert cards look like they're okay. So same thing here. First one will go to the Blackhawks, second one will go to the Oilers. So it looks like the inserts and the canvas cards weren't affected by it, just the base. Yeah, like this Young Guns doesn't have the same. So good news, bad news, I guess. We'll take the inserts and the Young Guns not being dented, so that's good. All the inserts look like they were separately printed and then placed in with the base cards, so that's a good thing. Alright, Young Guns, John Leonard for the San Jose Sharks. Brendan P. Yeah. Alright, Joe, I'll do that for you, man. I will do that for you, Joe. Alright, that was box crazy. We'll call that crazy box 3 with the damaged cards. No problem, Joe. Alright, box 4. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Again. Oh, this one looks okay though. So maybe it stopped with that previous one. Let's hope. Yeah, these ones look okay. Just that first pack. Oh, this one's got a little bit of it too. This one's got a little bit. So I guess what I'll do is I'll just send a pack, an empty pack with everybody's break, so that if you guys want to go ahead and contact Upper Deck because of the messed up cards, you guys can do that. So I'll just send an empty pack with everybody's, because they're all pretty much, the last 2 boxes have been terrible. So my apologies for that, but I had obviously no way of knowing that. Sorry, guys. Brian Pinho for the Washington Capitals. That's one of the teams Brennan picked up. Marquee rookies for the Dallas Stars. Ty Dellandrea. Ty Dellandrea. It's one of the teams Brendan picked up. Alright, Ben, take care. Ty Dellandrea for Dallas. Yeah, you would think so. After that many, geez. Luckily, the inserts and the Young Guns don't look like they were affected, because every one that I've pulled out of the last 2 boxes look clean. So I think it's just a base. Steven Stamkos, UD Canvas for the Tampa Bay Lightning. That's a cool one. Cool insert here. Yeah, like none of the inserts are marked or dented like the base, so I'm almost positive that it was just a base, which is good and bad still. Steven Stamkos, Tampa Bay Lightning. It's going out to Kevin M. Keith Yandel for the Florida Panthers. Going out to Kevin M again. Kevin M getting back-to-back inserts. Marquee rookie, Igor Zamula for the Philadelphia Flyers. That's one of the teams Brennan picked up. Brennan, you're getting your name called a lot. Brennan, are you still in here, by the way? You didn't leave, did you? You just chilling, watching the break? What's going on? Igor. Yeah, I agree. Like, how could they package the box with the inserts and still not see that and be like, oh, okay, this looks okay. So here's another one of these. So that means Vancouver's going to be getting one of these as well. So congrats for both of those guys. All right. Last blaster box. Let's hope this one's okay. That one looks good. That one looks okay. That one's okay. So we got a little bit of an issue with this. As you can see from the side, do you see all the dents and indentations?
Oh, no way.
So upper deck messed up with the print lines.
Okay.
So everyone that gets a package for this break, we have to send an empty pack with, so they can send the pack in and get replacements.
Okay.
So we have to make sure that everyone that gets a upper deck package gets a pack.
Okay.
Yeah. So this box looks okay, everybody. I didn't see any of the bow cards with this last box. So this one looks like we're okay. Just those first couple, or the couple in the middle. Yeah, it looks like we got a nice clean box here. No problems, finally. The top loaders. Look at this guy. Darren Radish for the New York Rangers Young Guns. They got a close-up of that guy's face. Rangers are going out to Kevin M. Yeah, Joe, for hockey, we technically sleeve and top load most of the things because we're not really big on hockey, so I don't know which guys are bigger and which guys are smaller. I don't want to sleeve some and then not sleeve others, so we tend to just sleeve most of them. Marquee rookie here for the Calgary Flames. We've got our team Zagadulin for Calgary. That's going to Brennan P. And then we have a UD Portrait rookie, Shane Powers for Colorado. Colorado's going to Kevin M. So Kevin and Brendan both having nice breaks here. That's going to tend to happen when they have half the teams. Alright, let's move on. Still haven't got a French variation yet. I've been looking. Next up, we have a Shea Weber, Green Dazzlers, Shea Weber for the Montreal Canadiens. It's going to Brennan P. Yeah, Jason, I don't know. I've broken the fat packs. I've broken the blasters. I don't think we hit any during the retail boxes Saturday. Maybe it's just a maybe it's just a hobby thing, because you would have thought that I would have hit one by now. Here's one for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Cal Foote, Young Guns, Cal Foote. Yeah, that's why we usually top load them, because you just don't know if they're going to be anybody yet, especially young guns or rookies, just like in baseball or football. You never know what they're going to turn into, so you might as well just top load them and sleeve them just to be safe. Alright, that's going to do it, guys. Let's go over a recap real quick, and I will be sure to send out empty packs to each of you that were in the break. So each of you will get an empty pack in your package. Once again, we do apologize on our end for that, but obviously it's not something we could tell you or be aware of in the future, so sorry about that, Lewis. Maybe next time, man. We got plenty of hockey breaks coming up here. You got plenty of chances, man. Sorry about that, though. Alright, so we got Cal Foote for the Lightning Young Guns. It's going to Kevin M. Shea Weber, Green Dazzlers insert. It's going to Montreal and Brennan P. Shane Bowers for Colorado. That's a Upper Deck Portrait rookie. That's going out to Kevin M. Marquee rookie, our team, Zagadulin for the Calgary Flames. That's going to Brennan P. Darren Radish, Young Guns for the Rangers. That's going out to Kevin M. We have a Marquee rookie, Igor Zamula. That's going to the Philadelphia Flyers and Brendan P. Keith Yandel, Green Dazzlers insert. That's going to the Florida Panthers and Kevin M. Steven Stamkos, UD Canvas. That's going to the Tampa Bay Lightning and Kevin M. Marquee rookies, Ty Dellandrea. That's going to the Dallas Stars and Brendan P. Brian Pinho. That's going. That's a Young Guns. Brian Pino for the Washington Capitals. That's going to Brendan P. Tyler Bertuzzi, Green Dazzlers for the Detroit Red Wings. That's going to Kevin M. Old school one here. UD Canvas, Ed Geocumin. That's for the New York Rangers. That's going to Kevin M. John Leonard, Young Guns for the San Jose Sharks. Brendan P. Lucas Vejdemo. Vejdemo. Young Guns, that's for the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan P. Maxim Letunov, that's for the San Jose Sharks, Brendan P. Artemi Panarin, UD Canvas for the Rangers, that's my guy there, Kevin M. Yanni Hackenpaw, Anaheim Ducks, Jeff R. Brent Burns, Green Dazzlers insert for the San Jose Sharks. That's going to Brendan P. Seth Jones, Green Dazzlers for the Columbus Blue Jackets. That's Brendan P. Kevin LeBlanc, UD Canvas for the San Jose Sharks. Brendan P. And Nico McCullough, Young Guns, St. Louis Blues. Brendan P. That is going to do it for the hockey break, everybody. Be sure to catch us on Friday and Saturday where we're going to have more hockey breaks. Friday's going to be the last 5-box blaster break of hockey. Saturday we're going to do another 4-box break of retail hockey. And then we'll be back next week. So until then, guys, I want to say thank you to everybody that was in the break. Special thanks to Brennan P. for buying those teams. Appreciate you guys in chat. Jason, Joe, Brennan, Lewis. All right, Joe, I appreciate you, man. Thank you for being in the break and chat. Lewis, hopefully you can try again for your Kirill Kaprizov. But until next time, guys, if I don't see you, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. We'll talk to you later, guys.